Today, we are preparing a bee frame with a wax foundation sheet, which is one of the most important steps in professional beekeeping. We begin by tightening the frame wires properly. Strong and tight wires play a very important role. They give support to the wax sheet and help it stay firm when bees start building the honeycomb. Loose wires can cause the sheet to bend or break, so this step should never be rushed. Once the wires are tight, we carefully place the yellow wax foundation sheet inside the frame. This must be done slowly and with full attention. The sheet should be straight, centered, and clean, because a properly placed sheet helps bees build uniform and healthy comb cells. A small mistake at this stage can affect the entire frame later. After placing the sheet, we move on to the next step, wax fixing. Here, the wax is gently heated, just enough to melt it smoothly. Using this melted wax, we join the wax sheet with the frame wires. This process locks the sheet firmly into position and makes the frame strong and stable. Proper wax joining ensures that the sheet does not move inside the hive, even during heavy honey flow. Once the wax cools down naturally, the sheet becomes solid and well fixed. At this point, the frame is completely ready. Now, this prepared frame can be placed inside the beehive. Inside the hive, bees start working on the wax sheet, building their comb, storing nectar, and slowly converting it into pure, natural honey.